Best free cloud storage services. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be running down a list of the top free cloud storage services. Now, we've all heard of Google Drive, OneDrive, and Microsoft Drive. Those three are the basics that anyone at this point has. But what happens when you exceed your limit on all three of those and you really don't want to pay? So what are some of the alternate options available for you? Which ones should you be using and which ones should you be wary of? Because keeping your files on the cloud determines that you have uploaded them somewhere, and when you upload something, it's on the internet, and when something is on the internet, you want it to be secure. So let's go down a list of the top cloud storage services that have privacy and that will keep your data safe and secure. Now, first on our list is box.com. So box.com has multiple different storage plans. However, fret not, they also have free storage and you can try out box.com as well. So you can get started as an individual for free and you get 10 gigabytes of storage, and you have one file version you can upload. You have 5 docs for e-sign as well. So you do have an individual plan which can get you access of 10 gigabytes, which is not a lot, but still it's better than nothing. And if you want to upgrade, you have the business teams and individuals plan where you can get access to 100 gigabytes of storage. You also have multiple different business plans, but we're not going to get into that. But in terms of safety and security, it's pretty safe, and I have personally stored data on box.com as well because I had some spare files that I needed to keep somewhere, and box.com was a simple way to keep my files on hand wherever I need them. Now, moving on to our next cloud storage tool, we have iDrive. So iDrive is another next generation cloud storage platform. Now you guys can see that you get a massive 10 gigabytes of free storage on most of these platforms. However, there are some platforms that offer you more storage. However, on iDrive you have 10 gigabytes of free storage and then you can upgrade to get more. It's accessible on your web apps, desktop, as well as mobile applications. Next up on our list is Mega. So Mega is an online and super secure platform. In terms of security, Mega is pretty amazing, and they have other features other than just keeping your storage. You can also do some video calling, meetings and stuff, as well as chat options as well. Now, if you take a look at precisely their cloud storage, you get 20 gigabytes of storage for free. So that is double the amount that you would get on Box or iDrive. So that is another pro of using Mega, and then you can choose to expand your storage if you want. Next up on our list, we have sync.com. So sync.com is a super secure network and they are based in Europe, so you're pretty secure with the legalities of keeping your data secure and keeping it away from hackers. However, one limitation that puts sync.com at the bottom of my list is only 5 gigabytes of free storage, which if you take a look at its competitors, they're offering at least 10 gigabytes. And although 5 gigabytes is more than enough because it's free, however, if you're looking to store, a bunch of data, you have more than, 5 gigabytes of files, this might be inconvenient for you. Now, moving on to next on our list, we have Kufer.eu. So Kufer is a all-in-one storage platform where you can also connect your Dropbox, Google Drive, Facebook, OneDrive, and more. And what this will allow you to do is that you can actually access your Google Drive files directly on the Kufer platform. You won't have to separately, open up the Google Drive application. And this also gives you access to a standard 10 gigabytes of free storage. So it's pretty much the standard of the free storage or free cloud storage limit. Now, next up on our list, we have pCloud. So pCloud has multiple different storage plans. Currently, they even have a Black Friday or Cyber Monday sale going on. However, if you take a look at their free plan, you have 10 gigabytes of free storage that you will get access to upon signing up. Then you have individual, family, and business plans. And if you take a look at some of their plans over here, you can choose to get a lifetime plan for 200 USD. It's a one-time payment, and you have 500 gigabytes of storage for free. And you can also build a 500 gigabyte shared link traffic. Now, this is for free. You don't have to renew this. This is lifetime storage that you can get. Now, other than that, you also have annual storage options where you can get access to 500 gigabytes of storage for $50. So you only have to pay $50 once a year, and that is it. And then you also have the Premium Plus plan where you get 2 terabytes of storage for only $100, which I feel like is one of the most worth it plans out there, other than the plans offered by Google Drive. Now, moving on to the next option on our list, we have Nord Locker. A lot of you have heard of NordVPN, but did you know that Nord also has a cloud storage platform? So it's called Nord Locker. They are currently also offering their best prices thanks to Cyber Monday. They also have a free plan available, so you can get started for free. And you currently can see that if you take a look at their business plans, they are only selling them for 99 cents per month, and this is pretty amazing considering you're getting 100 gigabytes of storage, which is pretty unheard of for any other tool. Now, if you take a look at their free plan, this is for individuals. You get access to 3 gigabytes of free cloud storage, and you have email support as well, which again puts it with sync.com in terms of having a very low storage amount. However, if you take a look at their 2 terabyte plan, it is only $5.99 per month. And if you go for a yearly plan, you can get it for cheaper as well. But I do think that their plans are pretty decently priced as well. Now, moving on to our next platform, we have Digu.com. Now, this isn't my first pick. This is primarily for storing photos. So for storing photos, I do like using Digu.com. It's all right for that purpose. They also give you access to 20 gigabytes of free storage, which is on the high end. So not a lot of platforms other than Mega.com are offering you to hit 20 gigabytes of free cloud space. However, Digu does offer you that. Plus, you get a 5 gigabyte referral bonus as well. And you can also get 250 MB per referred friend. Now, you guys can see that you have a 90 days account in activity. So you do have to access your account once every 90 days. So at least once in 3 months, you need to log into your account and just open it up just to keep your files on there. If you don't use your account at all, if it's a free account and you haven't used your account in 3 months, they will no longer keep your storage. So keep that in mind whenever you are using Digu.com. Now, this is a con. However, it's something that I do feel like if you don't access something in 3 months, you might not have needed it that much, but it's still something to keep in mind. You can set up a phone reminder to make sure that you don't lose any of your data on Digu. Now, moving on to our next platform, we have Yandex 360. Now, Yandex Disk primarily focuses on cloud storage. You guys can see they have multiple different plans and solutions, and they are also currently running a bunch of different deals now. If you take a look at their personal plans, they have 200 gigabytes of storage, as well as upload files of up to 20 gigabytes for only $1.39 per month. Now, this is a prepaid 1-year subscription that you can get started with. Obviously, if you subscribe to monthly plans, it's gonna cost you slightly more. Now, moving on to the next platform, we have Mediafire. So Mediafire handles all of your files, and you can get started for free over here as well. Now, next up on our list, we have Bloomp, and Bloomp is the final cloud storage space that we have on our list today. So Bloomp also gives you access to 200 gigabytes of free storage upon sign up. Now, Bloomp also still is a bit uncertain in terms of their security protocols, but they are pretty alright if you're storing something that's innocuous. It's fine if you're doing that. However, for sensitive data, I wouldn't recommend Bloomp. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure to leave your thoughts down below in the comment box, and I will catch you guys in the next video.